In this video, Alan will take us through emailing to printers with CirrusPrint.
Okay, now another feature that's especially helpful in the Cloud Suite environment and in any other cloud application where emailing is a key way to move documents. In our demo company here, I've got an email source. It is simply monitoring a mailbox called printers at synergetic-data.com. I've also got an output device on my PC. I'm running one of the CirrusPrint clients here. So here's an output device just called test printer. It's a printer type. The target is test printer. And that's this printer right here on my desktop. So let me go ahead and email that. Got this staged right here. So I'm emailing an email address called printers plus allenpc.testprinter. That's what's called a plus address or a dynamic alias. They're supported on most of the email services that are out there. We're using Office 365. What'll happen is CirrusPrint's monitoring this printer's mailbox, and it sees allenpc.testprinter in that address, in the to address, so it knows where to send that document. It goes out to my location client and the test printer. So I need to attach a file. Let's do that right quick. Just send this one. Click send. And that's going to wind its way through Office 365. CirrusPrint's monitoring that mailbox. And of course, we all know email can be sometimes 5 seconds, sometimes 20 seconds, but it'll get there. There it is. Okay, so that's one way to email. That's going through an IMAP account that CirrusPrint's monitoring through your own mail server. Now there's another way to send things. I've also got an SMTP server built into CirrusPrint. So let's go ahead and send email to that. That requires a special configuration. The address is the company, the location, and the printer name or printer device ID. And then the domain is actually the CirrusPrint server. Fetch a file again. And I'll send that. Now this one, the number of hops is reduced by 2. So you can see that landed quite a bit faster in my local print queue here. So that works if you can set up the CirrusPrint server with a domain name, preferably with a public certificate, and you can open up port 25 to the world so that other applications can send email directly to that server. Also need to point out that's not a full mail server, it's a receive only mail server. It cannot be used for forwarding of mail, what's called relaying. It'll never become a spam source because it just simply can't send things out from its own site. So that's email to print. 2 ways to do it, one through IMAP, one direct through the CirrusPrint server, wherever that's located.
To learn more about CirrusPrint and how to get 2 free licenses, contact sales by email, sales@synergetic-data.com, or phone 800-446-7374.